Number 4, crossover move. Stop. Great.
To number 4.
Number 6, off.
First
Ball, first block from Team Ifugao. Score. Long pass. Ring 5, off the window. Yes, sir. Number 4, crossover pass to the middle. The big man 5. Patok yan. And again, 4. Long pass inside.
Number
11, pull up J on the middle. Yes, sir. Mid-range. Bang! Number 9. Minute lays up. Uy! Pogi shot! Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Karaamit 2024 para sa laban ng Ifugao at Abra. Para sa mahilig sa Cubs mga idol, order na kayo. Sa comment section lang yung link Captain Ides Edgar mga idol. Sulit at legit. And here you go, a jump ball, number 61 and between number 6, top. His first ball, first block from Team Ifugao. Number 4, crossover move. Stop, pull up J. Here's for Team Ifugao sa tres. Bang! And here's number 1 for Team Abra, behind the back dribble. Bounce pass and ball is stolen. Here's Team Ifugao, pass break. Fire off the window, money! And it's Team Abra. Number 4, behind the back dribble, pass inside to number 47, a floater shot. And won't go, rebound, number 11, pull up J. Money, the net. Dribbling the ball and closing now the mid lane, number 12. Di Discarte, pass inside, long pass. Ball is stolen behind the back dribble. Pass to number 11, and ball is stolen. And long pass, pass break, and fire. And 8-3 ang score. Long pass and fire off the window. Yes sir. Number 4. Ito na ngayon, Team Ifugao. Di Discarte. Sa gilid, 4-3. Air ball. Rebound for Team Abra, number 1. Off 2 versus 1. Dinediretso. Yes sir. Great. Number 1 for Team Abra. Binardyahan ng dalawa. Papasa kay number 4. Di Discarte asking for a pick. Number 4, long pass inside. Number 11, pull up J on the middle. Yes sir, mid. Number 12. Passes to number 00. Fake. Attacking the rim and a put. Oh, di pumasok mga idol. That's pull up J. To number 47, Martinez. At the middle. To number 4, passes to number 1, pass to the middle, number 47, floater, and the money. And now, Abra up by 3. And here's number 12, ball crossover, iniwan, passes to number, inside, fires, oh, and di pumasok yun mga idol, and the rebound, recover, and shooting the window. For Team Ifugao, number 13, that's the 2 points. And number 4 for Team Abra. Number 47 fires. And a basket for number... Bounce pass to number 4 for Team Ifugao. 1-on-1. Binit-bit lays up. And a oh, pagaw pa rin ng Team Abra. Diretso. No hesitation shot. And a basket for... Stop. And... Pass to number 12. Oh! Magawan dito, 2 versus 1. Number 1, fake and plays. And a basket, idol. Oh, it's stolen. Ooh. And here's Team Ifugao, ball possession, number 5. Looking for receiver to the middle. Attacking the basket, mag-aagawan. Nakuha ni number 47 ng Abra. Bring us, faster. Floater, yes sir, of the window. And here's Ifugao, diretso binato. And here's Team Abra, number 14. Number 9. Number 12, Team Ifugao, atake Riza. Oh, nice basket. Naagawan mga idol. Number 9, hinintay yung bola. 1 versus 2. Oh, uy! Pinapitin pa. Bumomba si idol. Number 12 again. Number 9. Fires. Wala. Battle for rebound. Makukuha ng Team Ifugao. 1 versus 2. Pass there inside. Alley-oop pass. And still Abra up by 2. Stop. Pull up jet the middle of the window. Here's Team Ifugao. Crossover. Pass to the middle. The big man fires. Pasok yan. And again ng Team Abra. Number 9. Binit-bit lays up. Uy! Pogi shot! Abra. Seconds to left. Uy! Pull. And that's the end. Cook. Franco. Lug-lug lays up. Tinaus. And a long pass. Here's Team Abra side step na dapat. Binangga si Franco. Uy! Buti na lang. Franco, the rebound. Lug-lug. Uy! Eksaktong kay number 13. Tinira. Wala. Long pass. Number 19 na atake yung tatlo. Pinasa sa gitna. Uy! Nag-jelly. Here's Franco. Lug-lug behind the back dribble na agawan. 1-on-1. Number 4. Plays up. Wala pa rin. Tupagaw dito. Sa 3. Bang! Nakuha ng Team Ifugao. Crossover. Naagawan sa likod. In the middle. Top for 3. Recover number 12. Bounce pass to the middle. Naagawan sa Team Abra. Number 4 again. Lays up. Suabe. Nakatapikan na naman. Pass break na naman. Nag-iisa. All alone. Easy basket. Wala. Rebound number 47. Number 0. The lucky bounce. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Too strong. Put back. Pasok for number 4. Sa gilid. Wild open for 3. Wala. Pass back. Number 0. Number 10. Pull up. J. Money. Sa gitna. Team Abra again. Number 0. Nice pattern. Basket for number 1 na naman. Tutugod off the window. Filipino step. Basket and 1. Pumasok at the buzzer. Exacto, lays up. Put back shot, the savior by number 47. And pass break for Team Ifugao. Ilalabas yung bola, setting the play for Team Ifugao. Crossover. Number 13 for 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 1. Put back shot off the window. Magagawad dito. Ni number 1. 5. Good shot. Butata. Recover by number 1. Kick out. Number 4. Wild open for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Again. Pull up J. At the put back shot off the glass. And it's Team Ifugao. Number 12. Pasok yan. na. Floater. Put back shot. Ay! Bakaldad. Binanga. Sa masikip. Pumaasok sa masikip. Offensive foul. Fast break. And all alone. Lays up. Easy basket. Sa gitna. Alley-oop pass. The connection. Passes inside. Lays up in a basket for Timmy Fugao. For 3. Bang! Nothing. Mapuya for 3. Bang! Number 1. Naagawan. Ito na, nag-iisa. Easy basket. Kaya pala itong si Aiton, number 12. And it's number 4, 14 Abra. Diretso, Bumanga. Number 12. Plays up, easy basket again for Team Ab. Alley-oop pass. Nice fit. Mapuya. For 3. Bang! Open for 3 again. Pasok yan, number 5. Savior. For 3. Bang! Apuya. Basket for number 51. Easy basket. At the back. Number 5. Pass inside, pick out for 3. And this the big man. Tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa. Fade away shot. Rebound, di na tumalon. Number 9. Just pass inside. Give out. Saan? Pass! 3 points. Number 13. Wala. Bounce pass. Number 18. For the inbound. For 3. Bang! And easy basket again. Off the glass. Basket. Angat boy. To the middle. Pass. Pass option by number 10. Basket and one. Basket and one. Oy! Nice pass, pinakboard pa. Nice pass. Whoa, the red. Wacky bounce. 3. Put back shot. Yes, sir. Ayun mga idol, congratulations Team Abra.